Friends, I am Ajukumar, the English trainer from English Academy, Pathanapuri. Read, repeat and juggle. See, while we are reading, whatever it may be and how much talent you have, you don't realize or catch or understand 100% information from somewhere else. But when you repeat it, then only you can say, I am practicing it. In spoken English, practice is important. നിങ്ങൾ എന്തുമാത്രം പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു അതാണ് റിസൾട്ട്. See, when you practice a word 25 times, at least 25 times, then only you can say you become literate in that word. Only you become literate in a word, and you can say that word become your part of your active vocabulary when you repeat at least 25 times. So repeating, that is the method of spoken English Institute. Our method is repeat while you speak a subject or a particular matter. You repeat it. When you learn a new word, continuously repeat it. അപ്പോൾ റിപ്പീറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വേർഡിന് വലിയ പ്രാധാന്യമുണ്ട്. ഓർത്തോളുക, ഒരു കാര്യം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു വേർഡ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലൊരു സെൻറ്റൻസ് നിങ്ങൾ 25 ടൈംസ് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ only then you become literate in that word or in that structure. To create structures, you don't need any grammar portions. Really, grammar in the beginning is useless. When a teacher of English teach you grammar, they direct you in a wrong way. Really, they direct you in wrong way. Grammar പഠിപ്പിക്കുമ്പോൾ അവർ യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ നിങ്ങളെ റോങ് വേയിലേക്കാണ് കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നത്. So repeat again and again, and then you can familiar with this English language, and finally without any conscious effort you learn this language. Ultimately, this is the process we are continuously giving to our students. So English Academy, its vacation classes are arranged in this strategy. Repeat, and through gradual repetition of a word or a sentence, that student become familiar to that word or sentence. Then only he can use it in necessary conditions. See, language is, think of, that's an unconscious process. Really, that's an unconscious process. If that language comes out unconsciously or speaking out unconsciously, then only you can say you learn English language. So practice. I today suggest repeat at least 25 times. കുറഞ്ഞ പക്ഷം ഒരു കാര്യം 25 ടൈംസ് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 25 ടൈംസ് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം, റൈറ്റ്?